So today we are making deck post firecrackers, or just deck post flags for Memorial Day. And it's something that you can carry on through the 4th of July. And then we got Labor Day. So actually this is something that could stay out all year around. So I'm super excited about these. We are using 4x4 deck posts for this. I actually picked some of these up at the local Habitat Restore, and so you'll see that these are finished, but you can buy them at the hardware store already pre-treated, and it doesn't have a finish on them. All right, if you are using posts that you got at the hardware store, you won't need to do any sanding to those. But because I found some that were already pre-finished, I'm gonna need to sand a little bit of the finish off so that paint will adhere to it. So I just wanna show you how to do that, because if you can find these at your local thrift store or Habitat store, it's gonna be a lot less expensive of a project. So I'm taking 220 sandpaper and a sanding block, and you'll see, I'm just taking the shiny coat off the top. You're not getting all of the stain off. You're just getting that initial coat. All right, so I'm using an off-white. You could use a bright white if you wanted. And I am just going to paint this. Decide which is your top and your bottom. You don't need to paint the bottom, you just need to paint the 4 sides and the top. So I'm gonna start here. Now again, this is great for just a dry brushing technique, or if you want full coverage, you can do that as well. As far as the stencil goes for the stars, I bought stencils that were, not stencils, I bought stickers that were stars. And if you see here, I actually put the sticker on top of the white paint that we started with, and then painted the blue and pulled the sticker. So that's the easiest way to do that. Okay, so I've got a set here where I did the stripes and the blue. These are what you want to pick up. So I got these at the Dollar Tree. If you take these apart, it is going to give you one of these, okay? These are fantastic ones. I haven't even undone these yet, but these are these are balloon weights that you'll find in the balloon, or you can go to the Party Warehouse store. Dollar Tree has these, but you're gonna take the entire piece of that. This will just, when you open this up, it'll just pop right out. And these are what go in these cute little things to make the firecrackers. And look, this is a broken board. It's dry brushed. It's not perfect by any means, but man, they're cute, aren't they? Deck post flags and deck post firecrackers. Probably one of my hands down favorite projects, patriotic projects. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, go to divaofdiy.com. I'll see you next time.